boys and girls. Today for writing, we're going to practice writing another one of our sight words, and we're going to talk about things that we like at school. I know that school looks a little bit different this year because you're at your home, but you still have school time, and if you have been to our school, you can think back and remember something that you liked from our school. So first I'm going to draw my picture, which I didn't do first last time, I don't think. So I'm going to draw my picture about something that I like at school or about school. Drawing some squares. And remember, you will color your picture too. Okay. I guess I could have done this in the center because I think this is all maybe make there be, have some friends with curly hair. Have some girls who wear ponytails. All right. Does this look like anything that you recognize from school? I like to see my friends. And this is what our Zoom screen looks like. You guys are all in your own little square. So I'm going to start writing my story. Remember, the word I is always capital, and it's just the letter I. And our sight word like. Like is special though. There is a silent E at the end, and it's magic because it makes this I say its name. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. I like to. Ooh, here's another sight word that we practiced. See. And our sentence ends with a period. I like to see my friends. And here is my friends in our Zoom screen. And I could draw more friends too. What do you like about school? It can be your school time at home, or you can think back to last year. What did you like about school last year, or what do you like about school at home? I can't wait to read your writing. Happy writing, friends!